To replace the chute flap on the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder, you will need a pair of needle nose pliers, a power drill with a 5/32" drill bit, and a rivet gun. Using the needle nose pliers to secure the rivets, use the power drill to drill out the rivets to release the old flap and backing plate if still intact. You're now ready to install the new chute flap. With a new rivet positioned in the gun, insert the rivet through the middle hole, then align the flap on the inside of the chute along with the backing plate. Pump the rivet gun handle to secure the middle rivet. Repeat to secure the left and right sides of the flap. With the new flap installed, confirm it moves freely in the chute.